Empowering young musicians with Charlie Edmonds and Jubilee. Bloomington, Indiana, is buzzing with excitement as it highlights the incredible contributions of women in the arts and culture scene. At the forefront of this celebration is Charlie Edmonds, a passionate music educator who is transforming the way beginner musicians connect with instrumental music through her groundbreaking learning platform, Jubilee. Currently pursuing her doctorate in music education at Indiana University, Charlie founded Jubilee to bridge the gap between young musicians and the music they love. It's really cool and such a boost to be recognized in that way. It's heartening to know that someone sees the value in what I'm doing, she shared, a sentiment that resonates with many who strive to make a difference in their fields. Charlie's approach is refreshingly inclusive. She taps into a rich tapestry of musical styles, from gospel and hip-hop to contemporary worship. By doing this, she engages students in music while simultaneously honing their technical skills. The former band director recognizes a pressing issue in music education, a significant diversity gap. It was challenging to convince my students that this learning was meant for them. Most examples and method books or videos had predominantly white representation. Even my presence as a black band director helped a bit. Yet many students ended up quitting because they didn't see themselves reflected in what they were learning, Charlie explained, shedding light on a crucial barrier many face in musical education. The Jubilee Method book is a treasure trove for band and orchestra students. It serves up comprehensive lessons and exercises, replete with sheet music, lyrics, skill pages, and even scriptural references, all designed to deepen their understanding of the music's context. Charlie emphasizes, Jubilee offers a unique experience that hasn't been widely implemented in classrooms or community settings. It acts as a teachable companion tailored for kids learning their instruments. What's next for Charlie? She has ambitious plans to roll out an online platform, aiming to expand her reach and make Jubilee accessible to even more aspiring musicians. Stay tuned for this exciting development as she continues to change the landscape of music education one student at a time.